Hi everyone, it's me here with the 6 best herbal remedies to relieve your dog's joint pain. If your dog is suffering from joint pain or stiffness, it can be very difficult to watch them go from being happy and active to depressed and withdrawn. The pain can be so bad that they stop wanting to move around. And if they are arthritic, they may even lose the will to live. But there are natural things that we can do at home to help alleviate their discomfort, so they can feel like a puppy again. The first herb in this list is a common kitchen spice that has anti-inflammatory properties. In that study, rats were given either curcumin or a placebo for 45 days. However, turmeric is generally recognized as safe for dogs, and it is commonly used as a natural remedy for joint pain and inflammation. You can give your dog turmeric powder mixed in with their food. A good amount to start with would be 1/2 teaspoon per day. You can increase this to 1 teaspoon per day if needed. However, in order to achieve the anti-inflammatory benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, your dog needs a lot of these foods in their diet. This can be difficult and expensive to do, especially for large dogs. The dogs were given either 1 or 2 grams of MSM per day depending on their size. A good amount to start with would be 1/2 gram per day. You can increase this to 1 gram per day if needed. At the end of the study, the dogs in both groups had significantly less severe arthritis symptoms than the control group who received a placebo. It is thought to work by blocking the activity of certain enzymes that cause pain and inflammation in the body. Devil's Claw is effective for treating a variety of different types of pain, including joint pain. Yarrow is thought to work by reducing inflammation in the body. Have any of these herbs helped your dog? Let us know in the comments below. Also, please like and share this video if it helped you and you think it could help someone else too. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. And remember, be kind to animals, for they are the best friends that we have after all. In a study published in the Journal of Veterinary Pharmacology and Therapeutics, researchers found that yarrow extract was effective for treating hip osteoarthritis in dogs. The dogs were given either 10 or 20 milligrams of yarrow extract per kilogram of body weight once a day for 4 weeks. At the end of the study, the dogs in both groups had significantly less severe arthritis symptoms than the control group who received a placebo. In a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, researchers found that Devil's Claw was effective for treating knee osteoarthritis in dogs. The dogs were given either 100 or 200 milligrams of Devil's Claw extract twice a day for 4 weeks. At the end of the study, the dogs in both groups had significantly less severe arthritis symptoms than the control group who received a placebo. For this reason, many pet owners choose to give their dogs an omega-3 supplement. There are a variety of omega-3 supplements available for dogs, but it is important to choose a high-quality supplement that is specifically formulated for dogs. A good supplement should contain a high concentration of EPA and DHA. These are the 2 types of omega-3 fatty acids that have been shown to be the most effective at reducing inflammation in the body. The natural remedies discussed in this video can be helpful for dogs suffering from joint pain. However, it is important to consult with your veterinarian before giving your dog any new supplements or herbs. Your veterinarian will be able to help you determine the right dosage for your dog, and will be able to monitor your dog for any potential side effects. When choosing an omega-3 supplement for your dog, look for one that contains at least 180 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per kilogram of body weight. This is the amount that was used in the study mentioned earlier, and it is the amount that is recommended by the American Animal Hospital Association. Give your dog an omega-3 supplement mixed in with their food, or you can give it to them in a treat. Some dogs will enjoy the taste and smell of fish oil, others won't. So it's a good idea to start slow and increase gradually. Turmeric has a bitter taste, so it might take some time for your dog to get used to it. Start slow and increase gradually. It is involved in the production of collagen, which is a protein that is essential for healthy joints. MSM has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and inflammation in dogs. This makes it an effective remedy for dogs suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory joint conditions. You can also give your dog turmeric in the form of a supplement. Follow the directions on the label. At the end of the study, the rats that received curcumin had less severe arthritis symptoms than the placebo group. When this happens, the bones may begin to rub together, causing pain and inflammation. One such remedy is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids that play an important role in reducing inflammation in the body. They can be beneficial for dogs suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory joint conditions. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to a reduction in joint pain and stiffness. Omega-3 fatty acids can also help improve mobility and flexibility in dogs with arthritis. This condition is known as osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is the most common form of arthritis in dogs, and it is often caused by wear and tear on the joints over time. The dogs were given a supplement containing 180 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA for every kilogram of body weight for 12 weeks. At the end of the study, the dogs had improved range of motion in their joints, and their owners reported that they were more active and less painful. It can also be caused by injury or by a medical condition that causes inflammation in the joints. Symptoms of osteoarthritis include pain, stiffness, and swelling in the affected joints. Dogs with osteoarthritis may also have difficulty getting up or down, may move differently, and may be reluctant to exercise. Turmeric contains an active ingredient called curcumin. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its yellow color. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce pain and inflammation throughout the body, including joints. This can be beneficial for dogs suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory joint conditions. In a study published in the Journal of Inflammation, researchers found that curcumin was able to reduce inflammation in rats with adjuvant arthritis. Adjuvant arthritis is a type of arthritis that is induced by a substance called complete Fruins adjuvant. Complete Fruins adjuvant is a mixture of mineral oil and a killed bacterium. It is used as an adjuvant, which means it is used to enhance the immune response to vaccines. However, when injected into the body, it can cause severe joint pain and inflammation, leading to a condition that mimics rheumatoid arthritis in humans. In the study, rats were given curcumin, along with a combination of other herbs, called a polyherbal formulation. The polyherbal formulation consisted of extracts from 5 different herbs, including turmeric. The rats were given the treatment for 28 days, and at the end of the study, researchers found that curcumin plus the polyherbal formulation had significantly reduced inflammation in the joints. Another study published in the same journal showed that curcumin was able to reduce the severity of arthritis symptoms in rats. It is important to note that these studies were conducted on rats, so more research needs to be done to determine the effectiveness of turmeric on joint pain in dogs. Over time, the cartilage in your dog's joints may become damaged due to injury, overuse, or certain medical conditions. In addition to turmeric, there are other natural remedies that can help alleviate joint pain and inflammation in dogs. In a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, researchers found that adding omega-3 fatty acids to the diet of dogs with osteoarthritis resulted in a significant improvement in their overall health and well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in a variety of foods, including fish, shellfish, nuts, and seeds. MSM, or methylsulfonylethone, is a natural compound that is found in plants, animals, and humans. In a study published in the Journal of Veterinary Medicine and Surgery, researchers found that dogs with osteoarthritis were given MSM for 90 days experienced a significant reduction in joint pain and inflammation. You can give your dog MSM powder mixed in with their food, or you can give it to them in a treat. Devil's Claw is an herb that has been used for centuries to treat pain and inflammation. You can give your dog Devil's Claw extract in a treat or in a capsule. Follow the directions on the bottle. Yarrow is an herb that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of different ailments, including joint pain. You can give your dog yarrow extract in a treat or in a capsule. Follow the directions on the bottle. While there is no cure for arthritis or other inflammatory joint conditions, there are things that we can do to help alleviate your dog's pain and improve their quality of life. Please share your thoughts below. What natural remedies have you tried on your dog for joint pain?